Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by proving ownership. Apple requires proof, so have the receipt or original Apple ID info ready. Connect the broken iPhone to a Mac or PC and open Finder or iTunes. This is necessary because the phone's screen can't confirm prompts. Once connected, place the device into recovery mode. The method depends on model, so follow the exact button sequence. This bypasses on-device input and lets you communicate directly with Apple's Restore tools. Make sure connections are stable before moving on. Once in recovery mode, perform a full restore using Finder or iTunes. Select Restore to wipe the device and reinstall iOS. This clears local data but does not remove activation lock by itself. Therefore, sign into iCloud. Com or Apple support with the Apple ID tied to the phone. From your account, locate the device in Find My and choose Remove from Account, or submit an activation lock removal request to Apple support with proof of purchase. This is why ownership documents are essential. They finish by confirming the device is no longer listed in your iCloud devices. When Apple accepts a removal request, they'll notify you, then the phone can be set up anew. If the removal fails, contact Apple support and provide the serial number, IMEI, and original receipt. Ask for escalation if needed. Do not rely on third-party bypass tools. They often fail and can permanently damage the phone or violate terms. Keep records of every step so you can prove ownership if asked.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.